well, since this thing's zeroed in, let's go ahead and make a mess out of that shaving cream. That's the way it would go. Let me load one in here. Good morning from the beautiful East Eddy Wall. I'm Pat, Real Man of Genius. I think fall might finally be finding us. Today, this morning is just beautiful. But something that makes it even better is we have a new Henry H001. So today what I'm going to do is an unboxing and first shots of this. And you're going to want to stay tuned to the end of the video on what I plan to do with this, okay? All right, Henry, made in America or not made at all? This is just the H001. It's just the standard H001. It's not a youth model and it's not the octagon barrel, but this thing right here ought to prove to be lots of fun. It's already been out of the box once. I've already done an inspection and mild cleaning on it as well as an oil. So let's go ahead and take this thing out. Do not pull the trigger. Boy, they sent that to the wrong place. I'm going to be pulling the heck out of that trigger. But Henry, made in America or not at all? That's cool. There've been lots of hands touch this. It's nice knowing that we've kept that many American jobs. First tag off. Second tag off. Alright, so inspect for ammunition first. Do not pull the trigger. So there we are. It is safe. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. Alright, starting at the business end. Really nice blued finish on the barrel. It hasn't been muddied up with a bunch of lawyer speak and warnings. All we have is a caliber identification. If that'll focus. Caliber's 22, short, long, and long rifle. The only disappointing thing to me is that orange peel in that receiver cover. I guess they've done that to keep the cost down. There's a dovetail for optics. And then the thing that I like is there's no safety. If you want a safety, quarter cock it. Boom. That's all you need. No extra controls. Now I'm sure you're ready for me to shut my mouth and get to shooting, aren't you? Okay guys, I've loaded this thing up with 15 of the CCI quiets. Of course the action's open. If you're familiar with the channel, you know that I've got a threaded 44 that I put a suppressor on, and when I'm always up here, I always open this action. We don't like losing fingers, especially with a 44. This thing right here, it'd do a lot of damage, but a 44 will really take a finger off. But anyway, we're loaded up, we're ready to go, so let's have at it. Hey, all right, let's try the cowbell. Probably have to get something with a little more power to ring that cowbell good. See if we can hit the little bitty ones. Yeah, this thing's dead on. That's alright. Oh, I missed that one. Hit the little 2-incher. Oh man, right out of the box is dead on. I hit the 1-incher. And that was it. Let's load up some more. Okay, so I've loaded this thing up with something just a little bit hotter. Maybe we can ring that cowbell a little better. Yeah, that rings it. One incher. 2-inchers turned sideways. That's kind of impressive. This thing's zeroed pretty well right out of the box. All right. Okay, so we're loaded up again. I'm gonna pop some steel. See if I can't count this down and get that shaving cream on the last round. I got a shaving cream sitting over there. But first, let's go for the cowbell again. Rings a little better if you hit him right on the bottom. One incher. Dang, this thing is dead on. Love it. Well, I wasn't counting. I'm gonna go ahead and get the shaving cream. That thing went flying. That was cool. All right. Well, this thing is going to prove to be a lot of fun. So what I'm going to need you to do is have notifications turned on. Be subscribed, because something's happening with this little rifle. This little rifle is going to ship to an FFL near someone, okay? So until next time, have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for more of this little Henry.